What are the necessary conditions for commodity derivatives? Necessary conditions. A commodity character approach define feasible commodities in derivative trading based on extensive list. The list they will give based upon extensive list, the required commodity attributes. Based on the attributes, it can be traded. The following attributes are required for derivative trade. What? Commodity should be durable. It has to be have a lifetime. Unit must be homogeneous. Whatever the trade means like barrel na barrel, kg na kg, tonnage na tonnage, weight such a way liters na gallon such a way in this unit only you can say by do this trading. Commodity should be subject to frequent price fluctuation as price will not be the same. It may rise or down based upon the market demand and supply. The supply must flow naturally to the market. It should not be an artificial supply. It should be a natural flow of supply. So these are the necessary conditions for commodity derivative.